In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a brand kit in Canva. By the end, you'll have a central place for your logos, colors, and fonts, so every design you make looks consistent and on brand. Start by opening your project in Canva. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a vertical sidebar. Look for the option labeled Brand. This is where Canva keeps all your brand resources organized. Go ahead and click it to open the brand section. Once you're there, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click that menu, then select Create New Brand Kit. A prompt will appear asking you to name your brand kit. Choose a clear, memorable name, something like your company name or campaign name, so you can find it easily later. After you've typed it in, hit Create. In just a moment, your new brand kit space will be ready. Now you'll land in the All Asked area for your kit. This is where you can add the 3 essentials: logos, colors, and fonts. Each option will have an Add button. Clicking any of these will let you bring in the exact elements you want to use across your designs. For logos, choose the files you use most frequently. Transparent PNGs usually work best because they sit neatly on different backgrounds. If you have more than one version, like a full-color logo and a white or black version, add them here so they're always at your fingertips. For colors, add your brand's primary and secondary shades. If you know your hex codes, type them in to get an exact match every time. Keeping your palette in the brand kit helps maintain visual consistency, whether you're making a social post, a presentation, or a flyer. For fonts, pick the typefaces you use for headings, subheadings, and body text. If your brand uses specific fonts that are available in Canva, select them here. Having them saved in your kit makes it simple to stay consistent with sizing and style whenever you start a new design. As you add these assets, Canva keeps them grouped inside your brand kit, so when you work on any template or project, your logos, colors, and fonts will be right there, ready to apply. This speeds up your workflow and helps every piece of content feel cohesive. And that's it. You've created a brand kit in Canva, named it, and set up your logos, colors, and fonts under All Assets. With this in place, you can design faster, stay consistent, and keep your visuals on brand across every project.